settings management capability found within 2012 Civil 3D. Every CAD manager knows how much time it takes to educate users on corporate standards. Civil 3D 2012 includes tools that make that job easier. The new styles and settings management tools in Civil 3D 2012 focus on added control and ease of use and give CAD managers the power to copy styles and settings from a corporate template, replace them in the drawings, purge unwanted styles, and help figure out where styles are being used, which is extremely important for quality control. In addition to helping matching corporate standards, these tools may be useful when working with outside contractors in order to meet submittal standards for government clients or regulatory authorities. So first thing I want to show you is that these are the new tools that we'll be talking about right here, found underneath the styles on the Manage ribbon. You'll want to hit your Save button before you import anything, because it's just going to tell you that you've got to save before. So go ahead and hit that. Just save that one little extra click. Click on your import, browse out to the directory that has your files that you're looking for to import. Go ahead and select this file here and hit import, and it'll open it up. From this tool palette, you'll see all the different styles that are available for me to import. Let me expand on the general tab here real quickly. You'll see that some of them are slightly green, meaning that some are selected, some are not. These are to be deleted, these are not to be deleted. I have the ability to purge right from this list as well, instead of going to the purge command. But I'm not going to do that for this particular import. So here you can see the marker and the basic square and basic triangle. These will be added. The hydrant and the tree and the other green tree, these are already currently in the drawing. That's why I cannot add them, but it will update them with the new stuff if I tell it to, which is this little guy right here. So these are quick select buttons that will do like a mass selection. So if I do a check, this checks everything. If I click on this one here, it will de-check everything. So it's a quick selection to select everything. You'll see it turn, and this unselects it. And same with your delete. If you select the delete button, you can do a quick select and it'll do all of your purging or an unselecting. So if you select this, just notice how the green showed up inside here. So this means that I can get rid of any unused standards. If it's being used, you can see that right here it would show up in this area if it's as gray, if it's being used. Excuse me. And then if you have any conflicting styles, this is where they would be selected as well. So I'm going to go ahead and hit this and select everything. I'll go ahead and purge. I don't want to purge right now. We'll do that in a minute. And then this import settings. What this one will do is if you have settings for your layers that, like maybe you're doing your transparency, you have those settings set inside there. Your colors, your fonts, line types. If you want them to also match, you'll want to check this. It's part of the import settings. It does not affect your units. It does not affect your precision, your databases, or anything of that sort. It's more of your layers and your line types and your fonts, things of that sort. So it comes on as default, and I recommend that you do that if you want this to match what this file here is going to be bringing in. Go ahead and do that, and it tells me that it's going to duplicate some of them and it's going to overwrite, and that's what I want it to do. I'll hit OK. See that it'll bring in a bunch of different stuff. So it told me right here that it's imported 217 styles and it's brought in 1246 settings. So that's all my layers, my line types, the colors, the fonts, all that good stuff as well. Okay, so now if we come over here to our tool space, you'll see that I have quite a few more surface styles in there. And if I go to my point styles, I have a bunch more point styles inside there. So that is it as far as importing. As far as your purge feature, I can quickly purge all of these out, and what's nice is I can hold my control and individually select, or I can hit the first one, hold my control key down, or shift key down, select them all, hit purge, and they're all gone. 308 styles have now been purged. So go back to my point styles, and there's those basic ones that I had in there before. So that's it. Hope that was helpful.